Oh my gosh. Oh my god, look at this. We're in a really bad storm here. Woo! It's like green everywhere. Look at that, man. It's like green up there. Okay. Cool. Sky is like, you see the sky? Sky is green. The sky is freaking green. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at that. It's a huge ball cloud. Woo! Am I jumping? Woo, the sky's like green. Oh my god. Wow, woo! Isn't that bad? I know, it's awesome though. That was a tornado. Oh my god, it's awesome. Woo! Oh my god. Roll's actually not freaking out. It's cool, but you're ready to go inside. There's something twisted.
A lot of low-lying clouds right in here.
Yeah.
Will tell you this is something happening.
I know. Not really spinning, but it's just moving really fast. My post is on Facebook. You might not see the green, but it's actually really green in the sky. So it's tornadic weather. You might think it's just some gray clouds, but it's actually really freaking green. There is a tornado watch, potentially being a tornado warning here soon.
Maybe. But look over there, that's cool. See those ones dipping down?
Yeah.
Lightning too.
God. Actually, I kind of want to see a tornado. That'd be sweet. Just drop one down. Not like right on top of this. So that'd be bad. I don't hear any sirens, so. Man, this is green. Clouds right here. This is what tornadoes form from right here. Oh, there it is. Yep, it's twisted, Dad. We gotta get inside. We gotta get inside. It's twisting.
Taylor, no, it's
look at it. Look at it right there. I saw it twisting.
Where?
It's twisting right there.
Stuff flying. Oh, it's birds.
It's twisting. I hear it.
I know. I see it.
Dad, it is twisting. Seriously. Get inside, Dad. I'm serious. Yeah, it's twisting. Dad, get inside. Dad, come on.
Taylor, it's okay. It's really cool.
No, look at it. It's spinning.
We're in the middle of a tornado.
I'm serious, Dad.
Storm chasers.
I know what is spinning. Look at it. Dad, you're slow to get inside, so it's hard.
Okay, it's
I thought it was spinning, it's just moving.
Yeah, well, I thought it was spinning.
Yeah, this is
But you hear it.
yeah.
So, oh,
Listen to that.
I know, it's like a rumbling.
It sounds like a train.
pouring rain.
It sounds like a train.
Yeah, look.
Just like they say, it's supposed to sound like a train.
It's not raining here at all. It's just windy.
It's really cool. Woo! like making a crackling sound. This is cool. Oh, this is cool.
What is that big noise?
Yeah, I thought I was actually rotating for a second, Dan. I was
Maybe
like,
not.
A lot of this blackness is just past us.
probably not. It's probably a rain rat, maybe.
No, we're about ready to get hit by a lot of rain. Get inside.
Yeah, it's starting to pour down rain. Dan, get inside, hurry. Alright. Hurry, Dan. Get inside.
I can't. I'm stuck. I'm stuck.
Oh, God. Woo! Starting to really pour now.
You safe, okay.
Oh, look out. Sorry.
Huh?
You
Woo!
hear that?
Hey, what's
Yeah,
that
so-
big thing in the yard over there?
Where?
It's a big white thing.
It's a tornado.
No. That's pouring rain where she is, so it's coming this way. The big thing in the...
Oh, I have no idea.
Probably some piece
Shut the door.
Woo!
Shut the door. Get
Yes.
inside.
Oh, all of a sudden, yes.
Get
Oh,
inside.
no, I would say get inside because that's a big wind shear coming.
Yep.
Let's go check it out for a minute.
Alright.
Okay, let's
Woo!
go. Let's go inside. Oh, a little bit of hail.
Yep, there's hail coming down. Alright. Stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Oh, it's gonna be bad. Actually pretty sweet. Oh, Black Ops. Probably died. Alright, hey,
You want to go out there with her? Don't let her back in.
do it.
Don't let her back in.
Woo! Probably don't see it, but man, there's something going on. Woo! Woo! You see this, people? God, it's like the actual tornado's coming down. But it's just rain coming around. Woo! Woo! Really hit me, man. I probably shouldn't be out in this, but it's sweet. Oh my gosh. Woo. Oh, I can't hear anything. There's a rumbling sound out in the background, which might be a rain rat tornado, but we don't know. Probably just thunder. Pretty sweet though. Poor.
Don't get your iPad all wet, Katie.
I'm not. Do with this. Woo! Now I hear this rumbling like it might be like a rain rat tornado inside. But there's like it was something spinning over here in the field.
Yeah.
Maybe it's just trying to.
That's not, you didn't get that wet, honey.
It's wet. It's fine, Mom. It's okay.
It's all wet.
It's okay, Mom.
It's soaking wet.
It's not gonna ruin it.
Taylor, rain ruins electronics. Yes, it does.
It's
Do
covered.
Do not put that anywhere outside. It will ruin your electronics.
All right. Woo! Probably just rain now. So. Woo, that was pretty wild. All right. See ya.